Municipal Court Judge. Seattle Municipal Court's 7 judges hear cases involving misdemeanors and gross misdemeanors, including domestic violence, DUI, parking tickets, and traffic infractions. The Municipal Court also hears cases involving civil offenses, such as violations of the city's fire, housing, or zoning codes. Each municipal court judge serves a 4-year term in this nonpartisan office. This year, all 7 judges are up for election. All voters in Seattle can vote in each of the 7 judicial races.
My name is Judge Damon Shadid. I am running for re-election to the position I have held on the Seattle Municipal Court for the past 8 years. My 2 terms in office have been guided by a singular principle. We can make Seattle safer and healthier by addressing the root causes of crime instead of the business-as-usual approach of jailing people repeatedly and then releasing them back onto the street in a worse condition than when they entered. To accomplish this, I have taken a multi-pronged approach to addressing crime in Seattle. First, we needed a more efficient and effective way of handling low-level property crimes. I therefore created a new community court, unifying the court, the city attorney, and the Department of Public Defense behind a shared vision of connecting defendants to services on their very first court date, instead of having to wait months for a case to resolve. Second, we needed better ways to address people who come to the court system with untreated and sometimes long-standing mental health issues. These people can often act out in violent and dangerous ways. Holding them in jail for long periods of time can often destabilize them further, making them even more dangerous when released. I therefore expanded and reimagined Seattle's mental health court to better serve these challenging individuals. Finally, we needed a better way to support our essential case workers who are on the streets every day helping connect those experiencing homelessness to services and housing. I created a consolidated calendar that allows case workers to come to court just 1 half-day per week to support their clients who are involved in the criminal legal system, thus giving case workers more time to work with their clients on the street instead of sitting in court. The common theme behind all these programs is collaboration. No one institution or program can solve all of our problems. We must work together to make our city a safer and healthier place to live. But we have much more work to do, and I would ask for your vote in the November general election. Thank you. My name is Judge Damon Shadid, Seattle Municipal Court, Position 7.
I'm Najat Rose Akins, and I'm running for Position 7 on the Seattle Municipal Court bench. I love Seattle. I became a U.S. citizen here, but I've seen it erode with the breakdown of collaboration across the city. I'm running for Seattle Municipal Court to help repair this breakdown, to improve community confidence in the court, and to return to an individualized approach to judicial decision-making. I'm running because I've spent the last 12 years working with victims of crime in Seattle and managing our community relationships with police. In my 12 years at the City Attorney's Office, I've partnered with community members, government officials, law enforcement, and businesses. I've seen firsthand that issues affecting communities are rarely resolved in silos. Real change takes collaboration from everyone involved, a willingness to listen, and taking responsibility when things are not working. Systems can always be better. I'm the candidate that can make Seattle Municipal Court better. I've worked in the public sector in Seattle for my entire legal career. I worked in the Seattle City Attorney's Office's criminal division for 6 years. In that role, I developed a great understanding of all types of cases that come before the court. While working in the criminal division, I tried over 60 cases. I resolved cases in mental health court, community court, and domestic violence court. My awareness for how a criminal case impacts all those involved has further deepened since serving regularly as a pro tem judge within King County. These experiences in the City Attorney's Office and serving as a pro tem judge have shaped my judicial philosophy. I understand that the court cannot single-handedly solve all the problems affecting communities, but by being innovative and willing to try alternative approaches, it can change the course of someone's life. Judges should lead with compassion, but they also have to consider the facts presented and the law. And for those reasons, I ask for your vote.